Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giovanni Giacalone for those of you who didn't already know me, and today I'm going to be showcasing seats4u, the final product that my team and I submitted for our software engineering class. And so seats4u is kind of like SeatGeek or Ticketmaster. It's going to allow venue managers and administrators to log on and create venues. It's going to allow them to create shows for these venues, and it's going to allow customers to choose which seats they want to choose for attending each of these shows. It's going to allow them to reserve the seats and check out with them, and it's managing all this information for us, so that's great. This was all written in Node.js on React, and we're implementing Amazon RDS for hosting a MySQL database to hold all of this information. We're using AWS S3 to host the application, and we're using AWS Lambda to have our code running in the cloud. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how this works. We can go to the venue manager dashboard. We're currently logged in as a venue manager, and we can see that we have a venue, the Hollywood Bowl. So if we go ahead and create a show report, we can see that we have a show, James Taylor, that's at the Hollywood Bowl. It's going to be for December 23rd at 8 p.m. There's 2 seats sold already, 68 remaining seats, so 70 seats total, and we have an earnings of $80. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how we would create another venue. So let's go ahead and go to this venue. We're going to create the venue name Pantages Theater. That's one of the other theaters that we have in LA. Let's go ahead and 4 rows, and let's just say 5, 7, and 5. Make it easy for us. Let's go ahead and submit that, and we're going to get a confirmation that our venue was created. So now we have Pantages Theater here. So if we go back to our show report, we have another venue, but we don't have a show. So let's fix that. We can go ahead and create a show. Let's select Pantages Theater, verify that the number of rows and columns for each of our sections is correct. So that looks good. We're going to name our show Hamilton. That was one of my favorite shows that I used to listen to a lot. And let's just go with some date. Let's say 8 p.m. That's fine. And so we're going to select 4 blocks. So these blocks are how we're going to assign prices for each of the seats. So we're just going to assume that there's a left, a right, and 2 center blocks. We're going to say that the left block and the right block are each going to be $20. And we're going to say that they go all the way from A to D. And we're going to say that this block is going to be the most expensive because it's going to be right in the front. So we're going to say A through B is going to be $40. And then if you want to sit in the center but just a little bit behind, that's going to be $30. And we're going to go from C to D. So that all looks good. We're going to go ahead and create the show. And we're going to get the confirmation that the show was created successfully. So let's go ahead and activate it. That should take a second. So yeah, we're good here. And now let's go back to our dashboard, generate the show report. And so we can see we now have a new show under the venue Pantages Theater. And we can see that we have 0 seats sold and 0 earnings. So let's fix that as well. We can log out. And now this is the screen that a consumer would see. And so we're going to search by show. We're going to search ham. Let's just search lowercase ham. And we see that we have Hamilton here. And it's going to momentarily tell us that we're sold out. Yeah, and now we can see all of the seats here. We did not have time to implement clicking on individual seats and having those add to the cart. This course was not focused on UI UX at all, but more so implementation of all the functionality in the back end. But this is going to work for us for now. And let's say we want let's say A3, A4, and A5. So we're going to find A3, A4, and A5. And we're going to see our total is $120, so we're going to check out. And it's going to tell us that they were purchased successfully, so we're going to hit OK. And so now if we log in, test, we're logging in as a venue manager again. Chrome is going to tell us that our password is not strong enough, but that's okay. We're going to go to generate show report. And so we can see that we've sold 3 seats. We have 65 seats remaining, and our earnings are $120. So yeah, that was our demonstration of seats4u. I hope you guys enjoyed. The link to the GitHub repository is going to be down in the description. So take a look at that if you're interested, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.